The wolf energy. A wolf does not beg the world to understand its hunger. It survives storms in silence. It walks through dark forest with nothing but instinct, endurance, and the fire in its chest. And maybe that is who I am becoming. Of course, that is the journey. Not loud for attention, not soft from fear, but powerful in a quiet, dangerous way. Because strength is not always noise. Sometimes strength is waking up every day with wounds nobody sees and still choosing to move forward like nothing can break you. The wolf taught me this. A wolf can be alone and still not lonely. It can be surrounded by winter and still carry warmth inside its soul. It can lose everything and still find its way back to itself. That is power. I have learned that not everybody will understand my journey. Some people will fear my confidence. Some will misunderstand my silence for weakness. Some will think because I move gently, I cannot bite. But wolves do not waste time explaining themselves. They keep walking, keep hunting, keep surviving. And that is exactly what I will do. This is the very first part of the wolf energy. Stay tuned for the continuation. I remain Turkey, your only favorite black girl. Bye.